Okay, we're going to take the core of this QLCS, and there is a ton of cloud-to-ground lightning that's, never mind cloud-to-cloud, but numerous strikes, probably at least 15 cloud-to-ground strikes in the last 3 minutes as this thing blasts up from the south. This is going to be one heck of a strobe show. Stand by. We're going to keep on rolling. A lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, and we're about to bust into some very heavy rain, probably even some gusty winds now. Nothing severe, though, but certainly a very intense thunderstorm. Again, below severe limits. Let's keep that in mind. Below severe limits. Holy jeez. Get ready. That's going to be loud. And that dog is doing okay. Well, that was going in the distance, too. Okay, we're about to get into the beef of the rain now. Luckily, we still have power. Supposedly, there are some power outages locally due to all this lightning. So far, we have power, as you can see. See if that changes as the heart of this thunderstorm slides on through over the next 10 or so minutes, roughly. Feeling like I'm in Oklahoma with these wide views. I like this. Nice cloud-to-cloud action there. I think I could hear the rain in the distance picking up in intensity. Either that's rain or that is some gusty winds mixing down. I think that is that very heavy rain that's moving in the distance. Can't tell, but I'm assuming that would be rain.